In the last 12 months, this YouTube channel has uploaded 454 videos and has managed to get more than 1.3 million subscribers. If you check this channel, they started this channel last year in July, so this channel is only 1 year old. According to Social Blade, this channel is making more than $2,000. Just wait. I know what you're thinking right now. Can we monetize a channel like this? The honest answer is that if you only use steady images, you cannot monetize them. That's why I'm going to show you a brand new method that you can convert these same types of videos to completely new and 100% monetizable videos. In my channel, I don't teach bullshit. I'm 100% sure that this video will not waste your time. It's because I'm going to show you everything that you need to start a YouTube channel in this category. Starting with finding video ideas, creating videos, and upload those videos with correct SEO strategy. And I'm giving you all the information for free. So guys, if you think my content are valuable, make sure to hit the subscribe button. For this process, I'm going to use a special AI tool. The name of this AI tool is TubeMagic, and I would like to thank TubeMagic for sponsoring this video. This AI tool is one of the best AI tools that you can use for your YouTube journey. You can use this AI tool to generate video ideas based on any niche or any specific channel, and you can easily generate highly engaging video scripts. Most importantly, this AI has the ability to do all the SEO parts for your video. Let's start by looking for video ideas for this niche. With this AI tool, this process is going to be super easy. We already know that these videos are going viral and bringing millions of views to these channels. We cannot copy these video ideas, but we can create similar video ideas based on these viral topics. All you need to do is copy the URL of this channel and go back to TubeMagic and select this video ideas option and paste that URL. This AI will analyze that channel and give you a viral video idea. If you click generate again, you will get a completely new video idea. Just like this, you can make unlimited video ideas. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is creating the videos. The first thing we need is a good video script. I'm going to use TubeMagic to generate a video script for one of these topics. You can create a video script for your topics, or you can rewrite the original script of any video. I'm going to use this option for this video. As you can see here, there are several script templates are available. If you are making short videos, you can select this template. It will make scripts that are under 60 seconds, and we have how-to script templates. With this template, you can generate scripts like how to make money with YouTube or how to make cake. I will show you what this outline option can do in a few seconds. Let's select this general script, and I'm going to copy of one of the video ideas we generated to here. Then you can change the number of words for your video, so if you check this, you will be able to get an approximate idea of how many words you need to get a certain amount of duration. For this example video, I'm going to go with 1,200 words, and let's generate the script. As you can see here, this AI is generating the script for this video. Now we need to generate voiceovers for this script. For this example, I'm going to use 11 labs. When selecting the voice for your videos, use the same voice for all videos on your channel. Therefore, you need to select a good voice for it. Especially this voice should be inspiring. Go to the voices and select Voice Library. Select Narrate and Story or Social Media. Then this AI will show you suitable voices for this. Check all the voices and select a perfect voice from these. Then copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. This process is very simple. Now, we know that we can't use steady images and monetize this channel. Therefore, the best option is to use some cool stock videos and edit them. Pexels.com is one of the best websites to download such stock videos. What I love about this website is this is 100% free. You can download videos related to motivation, hard working, and luxury lifestyles. Those types of video clips are suitable for this video. So, download as many as videos you want from this website. Then, we need to find suitable background music. I would recommend you guys use the YouTube library for that. This is really easy. You don't need to worry about copyright issues or giving credit to the creator, and all the soundtracks are free. After that, we need to edit the final output. You can use any video editor that you are familiar with. I'm going to use CapCut for this process. It's a free and beginner-friendly video editor that you can use to edit your videos. Once you download the CapCut, open it and start a new project. This is a long video, therefore, make sure to click this Modify button and select 9:16 ratio. Then, click this Import button and import all the materials we downloaded. After that, you need to drag the voice over to the timeline like this. If there are long, unnecessary silent parts in these voiceovers, make sure to remove those. Once you are done with that process, add the videos that we download to the timeline. Try to match the videos with voiceovers. One of the ways to make this video more attractive is to add transitions in between clips. So, go to Transition from this top menu and let's add some transitions. But make sure to add a smooth transition in between all the clips. Don't add fancy transitions. It's not suitable for this niche. After you add all the transitions, go to this adjustment option from the top menu and drag this custom adjustment layer to the timeline like this. You can expand this layer to cover the whole sequence like this. Then, if you go to this side menu, you can edit the colors of this video. By using these colored bars, you can edit the color tone of the video. And using these options, you can basically change anything. You can darker the video and make it more vintage looking. And especially, I really like this option. But using this, you can darken the corners of the video. It will give this video a luxurious look. And if you go to this curves option, you can control the overall brightness of the video. It's actually up to you to play with these tools and make your content much better, so take your time and do that perfectly. After that, we need to add captions for this video. Go to Text from this top menu, select Auto Captions, and click this Generate button. Within several seconds, this will automatically generate the captions for your video. We can't use these boring captions like this. We must edit these to make this video to next level. Let's bring all the captions to the middle of the video. Let's make all the letters capital, and we need to add an elegant font for this. I think this font would be suitable for this. Then, if you go to these effects, there are hundreds of effects here. You can add a suitable effect from these. Instead of using steady caption, I think it would be better if we add some animations to those. Now, select all the captions and go to Animations, and select this caption option. You can add a good caption animation from here. Then all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and adjust its volume to match the voiceover. Don't make the sound of background music higher. If you do that, no one will watch your videos. You should give priority to the voiceovers. After that, the video is completed. You can watch this example video at the end. Now, let me show you how to upload these videos to your YouTube channel with proper SEO. Again, I'm going to use TubeMagic for this process. If you go to this Warp Upload option, you can easily get SEO titles, descriptions, and keywords for your video. All you need to do is copy the link to your video here. Before this, you need to upload the video to your channel and make it unlisted. I have uploaded the video that we just created to this channel, and it's still unlisted, so I'm going to copy its URL. And let's paste it here, and click Generate. As you can see here, we have 3 titles for this video, an amazing description, and all the necessary tags for this video. You can just simply copy these. This AI makes everything easier. Not only me, but tons of YouTubers are using TubeMagic. If you want to try it, check the link in the description. With that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.
Welcome, dreamers. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to the heart. Why you should never ignore your dreams. Dreams are more than just fleeting thoughts. They are powerful indicators of our passions and potential. Pursuing your dreams is essential for personal growth, as it pushes you out of your comfort zone and encourages you to explore new possibilities. In this video, we'll explore how following your dreams can lead to greater self-discovery, fulfillment, and even success. You'll learn about the transformative power of chasing what truly excites you